Hello, friends. I am a monkey. My name is Max. I am smart and very funny. I love to climb trees. I can swing from branch to branch. I like to eat bananas. I also like to play with my friends. Life in the jungle is exciting. Nice to meet you. Good. I want to tell you a funny story about me. One day, I was very hungry. I saw a big banana in the tree. Wow! I climbed up very fast. But the banana was fake. It was a toy banana. I felt so silly. My friends in the jungle laughed at me. But it's okay. I laughed too. Because life is fun when you smile. Finally, I have a little advice for you. Always stay curious. Always keep learning. And always share kindness with others. Because when you are kind and smart, life becomes happy and full of fun. Goodbye. See you soon.